Ladies and gentlemen, for video number 2, what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking at perimeter and area of parallelograms and triangles once again. And this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you 4 shapes, 2 parallelograms and 2 triangles. And it'll be your responsibility to find the perimeter and area of each one. So you'll be given all 4 shapes right away, and then then I would suggest pausing the video, and then when you're done filling out all 4, I will start just filling in the answers and explaining any of the processes that need to happen. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to draw them, and then as soon as I get them drawn, why don't you draw them and work the problems before you start listening for the solutions. 5th graders, here we go. Your first parallelogram, well, your first shape is a parallelogram. It's this side, these 2 sides are 7 centimeters, your base is 9, your height is 6 centimeters. Moving on to this triangle, you have sides, 2 sides, 5 centimeters, a base of 6 centimeters, and your height is 4 centimeters. Now you have a rectangle or a parallelogram, and your length is 9 centimeters, your width is 5 centimeters. And finally, you have an obtuse triangle here, obtuse angle right here, with sides 8, 10, and 7 centimeters, and your height, ladies and gentlemen, is 6 centimeters. And for all of these shapes, we want the perimeter and we want the area. So pause the video and see what you can find. When you're done, start the video again, and I will hopefully give you the correct responses. Good luck. Hopefully, 5th graders, you've taken some time to work on these problems, and we'll just go through them right now. For the first problem here, this parallelogram, the perimeter, remember we add up all the sides, 9 plus 7, then this would be 9 plus 7. You're going to get 32 centimeters. This one, for the area, remember it's base times height, 9 base times height, I apologize, 9 times 6, you're going to get 54 centimeters squared. And that's a 5 there. For our first triangle, remember perimeter is, if we were to walk around this entire thing, I go 5 plus 5 plus 6, that's going to give us 16 centimeters. And our area, remember, is going to be base times height divided by 2. 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 2. We're going to get 12 square centimeters. As we move to our rectangle, we haven't seen these in a while. Remember, our formula for perimeter of a rectangle is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4, which is basically a formula for finding any perimeter. This one is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. This is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. So 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 5 is 9 is 23, plus another 5 will give us 28 centimeters. And then our formula for area, as you recall, is length times width. So it's got 9 times 5, and we should get 45 square centimeters. Our final one is this triangle here, and again, perimeter is just as we walk around, so we're going to have 10 plus 7, because that's right here for 17, plus 8, that will hopefully get everyone got 25 centimeters. And then when we look at our area, remember area is 1/2 base times height. Our base is 8. Our height is 6. 8 times 6 is 42. And then we're going to divide, no, 8 times 6, I apologize, is 48. Good gracious. Sorry about that. 48, and then when you divide that by 2, we're going to get 24 square centimeters. Now, hopefully you got all of those correct. If not, check and see where you made your error. If you cannot figure out where you made your error, talk to a table mate, or find Mr. Winkleman and he will help walk you through wherever you had your problem. Other than that, it's time for video number 3.